Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an amazing delicious egg fried rice. It's super easy to make and I'm sure you're all going to love it. In this video I'm also going to show you my two secret ingredients that I use whenever I cook my rice. So here I've got my washed rice and my two secret ingredients, which are cardamom pods and cloves. So with these ingredients, just be careful with how much you're going to use because they've got a much stronger spice flavor. So 4 or 5 is enough. Then I also like to put butter or cooking oil in my rice. So here I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter. So once your rice is cooked, just remove the cardamom and cloves as they are very strong and spicy if you bite one. Then here we're just going to start by melting butter. Then we're just going to fry our eggs. Just make it like a scrambled egg. Then set it aside. Then melt butter again. You can use either cooking oil. Then just add your carrots and onion, peas, then just add garlic and mix it together. Just fry it for 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook your vegetables. Then here I just added a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can also add paprika and turmeric. So next I'm just going to melt butter again, then just fry my rice. Then add spring onions. Then after you add your spring onions, just mix your rice and vegetables and just fry it just for less than a minute. Then now I'm going to add soy sauce. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce here. So this is easy, simple and straightforward egg fried rice you can make. Then just add your eggs and mix well. So this is it. We are done cooking our egg fried rice. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos. And if you're not, thank you for coming back. Until next time, bye for now.